Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. Tremendous Tuesday. And I say tremendous Tuesday because I did some celebrating last night. Because before I get to the food, it's done. Recipes Are Just Guidelines cookbook is finished. It's available online for free. Check it in the group or private message me, text me, email me. I will get it to you one way or another. Again, Recipes Are Just Guidelines is free. This is a hard copy, but it is available via digital PDF. It's wonderful. 154 pages, over 120 recipes. There's a bunch of information inside of it. There's links in the table of contents. If you go to the recipe index, you can click on the recipe you want to look at. There's bookmarks. It's full of wonderful features, recipes, and information. Contact me, and I will get you a copy. All right, let's get to the food. Last night, I squeezed it in. Did two-part yesterday. I did a orange creamsicle freezer pie. I'm sorry, the champagne got in the way of having the creamsicle pie. And now when I was putting it together, it's wonderful. It's very light in the orange. I used as much fresh orange juice as possible because I did juice and orange and zest and all the goodies. It's fun. I'll get the recipe up for this. And I did mushu pork. Yeah. It's not the first time I've done this. Great recipe. I substituted the regular cabbage slaw mix with a broccoli slaw mix. A lot of fun. Get to play mixologist. There's a lot of goodies that goes into the marinade sauce. Great meal. I'll get the recipe up also today. Tonight, I am doing, they call it a one pan chicken gnocchi. There's that word again. Gnocchi. This is more than one pan. Let's get to it. It's at least 2 pan. Because I'm using pre-made gnocchi, I have 1 Dutch oven out to cook up the gnocchi. The second pan is to do the chicken and the veggies. I will probably add a skillet to this to do the chicken itself. So I have pre-made gnocchi, chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, a bit of olive oil, some butter, not only for the chicken, but for the sauce that goes with this. A lot of fresh veggies in this. You got zucchini, yellow squash, white mushrooms. Look at that, folks. These are whole mushrooms. I didn't want to buy a whole 8-ounce thing, so I'm going to be slicing these up. Some kosher salt, black pepper. There's a red pepper involved, garlic. Yes, some Italian seasoning. I'll probably play with this a little bit today. And broccoli, which I'll trim down. And for the sauce is chicken stock, heavy cream, shallot, lemon juice, and just a bit of flour for thickening. Other than cooking dinner, I'm doing nothing today except promoting Recipes Are Just Guidelines, the cookbook by the Casual Chef. Yes. I have been getting great feedback so far on the cookbook. Yeah, it's been fun. Shout out to Chef Mark, who's I think he's in Hong Kong right now. I know he was in Thailand a day or two ago, but I believe he is in Hong Kong. He did some shopping this morning at one of the great big markets. Sent some great photos. I shared his post. Mark and I have been in communication for the last several days. While he's been in overseas, taking care of some medical issues. Blessings to you, Mark, and my prayers to you as well. Keep going, boy. Keep going. You're not a boy. You're a man. You're a chef. All right. On this tremendous Tuesday, yeah, a lot to celebrate. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.